Suppose you are doing online math tutorial for 7 hours a day and you are receiving 1,125 pesos per day as payment. How much do you get paid per hour? Hello everyone, I am Sir John. Welcome to my video lesson in math. In this video, we are going to learn how to evaluate algebraic expressions. Our objective is to evaluate expressions for given values of the variables. People would ask, why do we need to learn how to evaluate algebraic expressions? When you own a house and you're planning of expanding, it would be better if you know the area of your rectangular lot. Recall that the area of a rectangle is equal to length times width. Given the length and width, you can easily get the value of the area of your rectangular lot. Over a week ago, I purchased items from an online store. 3 caps at 200 pesos each, and 3 shirts at 700 pesos each. If I got 1,100 discount on my purchase, what is the expression for the amount that I paid and what was the amount? Using the given, we can write 3C for the 3 cups, 3S for the 3 shirts, and D for the discount. The expression would now be 3C plus 3S minus D. We can now solve for the amount by substitution. Given C is equal to 200, S is equal to 700, and D is equal to 1,100. We substitute C, S, and D by its given values. C is equal to 200, S is equal to 700, and D is equal to 1,100. 3 times 200 is equal to 600, plus 3 times 700 is equal to 2,100, minus 1,100. 600 plus 2,100 is equal to 2,700 minus 1,100. It is equal to 1,600. Therefore, the amount is 1,600 pesos. Let us go back to the given problem in the beginning of the video and let's answer it. Allow me to take these important numbers and words with its units and put them right here. How about we take the basic operations together with the equal sign and put them on the side. Let us now arrange these important words and numbers and choose the correct operation to form an equation. We will use it to answer the keywords question, how much are you getting paid per hour? We need to make sure that the units in the keywords are the same as the units in the expression. We can now evaluate the expression on the right side of the equation. Peso paid per hour is equal to 1,225 pesos divided by 7 hours. It is equal to 175 pesos. Therefore, you get paid 175 pesos per hour. Let us recall how to solve and simplify each expression. How do we solve multi-operation expression? Do you remember the order of operations, or the PEMDAS? Here are the solutions to the given expressions. Number 1, 8 times the quantity of 2 plus 5. It's equal to 8 times 7, which is 56. Number 2, 3 plus 6 times 10. It's equal to 3 plus 60, which is 63. Number 3, 9 minus the quantity of 1 plus 4. It's equal to 9 minus 5, which is 4. Number 4, 15 minus 7 plus 9. It's equal to 8 plus 9, which is 17. Number 5, 16 divided by 2 times 4. It's equal to 8 times 4, which is 32. Number 6, 20 minus the quantity of 3 plus 5 plus 11. It's equal to 20 minus 8 plus 11. 12 plus 11 is equal to 23. In the previous lessons, we've evaluated numerical expressions using the order of operations, or PEMDAS. We are going to use the same rules to evaluate algebraic expressions. What is an algebraic expression? An algebraic expression is a mathematical expression that may contain one or more variables, numbers, and operations. Here are some examples of algebraic expressions. Number 1, 2x plus 8. Number 2, 5 times the quantity of x minus 3. Number 3, x plus 2y plus 7. Number 4, 3x plus 5y minus 9. Number 5, x squared minus y. When a number is substituted or replaced for the variable in a given algebraic expression, the expression takes a numerical value. Finding the value is what we call evaluating algebraic expression. Let's look at some examples. Number 1. Evaluate x plus 8 for x equals 9. Number 2. Find the value of the expression 7y minus 2 when y is equal to 4. In number 1, we have x plus 8. It is equal to 9 plus 8, which is 17. The value of the expression is 17 for x is equal to 9. And for number 2, 7y minus 2 is equal to 7 times 4 minus 2, which is 28 minus 2 equals 26. 26 is the value of the expression when y is equal to 4. Number 3. Evaluate 9z squared plus 5 when z equals 0, negative 2, and 1/3. It means that we need to substitute 0, negative 2, and 1/3 for the variable z to find its numerical values. Let us now evaluate. If z is equal to 0, 9z squared plus 5 is equal to 9 times 0 squared plus 5, which is 0 plus 5 equals 5. If z is equal to negative 2, 9z squared plus 5 is equal to 9 times negative 2 squared plus 5. 9 times 4 plus 5 is equal to 36 plus 5, which is 41. If z is equal to 1/3, 9z squared plus 5 is equal to 9 times 1/3 squared plus 5, which is 9 times 1 over 9 plus 5, which is 1 plus 5 equals 6. Let us do a real-life application of evaluating algebraic expressions. Janine is saving money from her weekly allowance for a new smartphone that she will use for online classes. The phone is priced at 6,900 pesos. Aside from her weekly allowance, her mother gave her 3,000 pesos to start. Janine saves 200 pesos each week. The expression 3,000 plus 200W gives the amount of money Janine saves after W weeks. Questions 1. How much money will Janine have after 5 weeks? How about after 10 weeks? After 20 weeks? Number 2. After 20 weeks, can Janine buy the smartphone? Please explain. To solve this, it is easier for us to make a table showing the number of weeks, the expression that gives the amount of money, and the amount of money saved. We only need to substitute the number of weeks, which is W, to the expression 3,000 plus 200W. By substitution, we have this. Then we need to multiply this to simplify this part of the equation. By addition, we have the values 4,000, 5,000, and 7,000. And to answer question number 2, we have 20 weeks equals to 7,000. Janine has a total of 7,000 pesos after 20 weeks. And therefore, Janine can buy the 6,900 pesos worth smartphone. And that will be all. Thank you.